Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 14.3. It means here we will find the median. The following frequency distribution given the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of the locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data are compared them. So mean and mode you have seen previous exercises. So here we are finding the only median. So that median. So first question, that is a table is given in your question. So first of all find the CF. So what is the CF? That first is a 4, then add of that one 9, then add of these two, that will be 22. Now that 2 42, now that 2 56, now that 2 64 and then 68. Now we'll find the n upon 2. N upon 2 is equal to, n is 68 upon 2, that is 34, that is 34. Now first of all we will see that 34 in this table is coming, no. So just before the 34 is this one, so that is a CF, and then after this is a F, and then per horizontal that is a L. So median is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. L that is 125 plus n upon 2 we have already found 34 minus CF is 22, then F is 20, and then multiply. H is difference of that one, this is the 20. So 20 cancel by 20, so that 125 plus subtraction of that 2 1 12, it means 731. This is the 137 is a median. Now the second question, if the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, find the value of x and y. That's the table is given. So that first of all we will find the CF, that is a 5, this is a 5 plus x, this is a 25 plus x, that is a 40 plus x, that is a 40 plus x plus y, that is a 45 plus x plus 5. Now here also we will do n upon 2. N upon 2 is equal to 60 upon 2, 230, that is 30. And then we can't see here which is the smaller than 30. So here we will write the formula, median is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. So median is given already 28.5. 28.5 is equal to, so that is a 28.5 median. So 28.5 is coming in this class interval. So that will be L, this will be F, and that one is a CF. So L is 20 plus n upon 2 we have already found 30 minus, that is 5, and then this one also minus, this minus for this one and this one also, upon F is 20 and then H is 10, and then this one will come this side. So 28.5 minus 20 is equal to 30 less 5, 25 minus x upon 20 multiply by 10, then 0 cancel by 0. So that will be left 8.5 is equal to 25 minus x upon 2. By the cross multiply, that will be 17 is equal to 25 minus x. Now you will be see here that x is equal to 25 minus 17. So x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8. The first value we have find here 8, and then second value, this and this both are the similar, so 45 plus x plus y, sorry, that is a y is equal to 60. So 45 plus 8 plus y is equal to 60. So y is equal to 60 minus 13 and then 5. So y is equal to, that is 7. This is the second answer. And then you will be see the third question also. A life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of age of 100 policies holder. Calculate the median age if policy are given only to patient having age 18 year onward but less than 60 year. So you are looking the table here. Third question, so how you will be prepare the table, that is a class interval, and then this is a F or this is the CF. F, CF. So below 20 and difference you are looking 25 minus 25, so that will be 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 60, 60 to only up to 60, and then you are looking, that is number of policy holder. This is not a CF, OF, this is the CF, that is 2, 6, 24, no sorry, yes 24, 45, 78, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to that will be 50, 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60. So that 78, this one, 78, after that 78, 89, 92, 98, and then 100. How you will be find the F? It's not a difficult, this is the same thing, and subtract of this one, subtract from this to this, that will be 18, and then subtract from this one, 5 less 4, 1, 4 less 2, 2, and then subtract from here, 8 less 5, 3, 3, and then 7 less 4, 3, 9 less 8, 1, 8 less 7, 1, and then 12 less 9, 3, and then 8 less 2, 6, 100 less 98, that is 2. This is the F, and then after you will be find that CF, oh sorry, median by similar thing. And then and see one thing more here, how you will be think this is the CF given or F given. So if the all number is given in increasing order, see that all the number is given in increasing order, it means that is a CF. Now the question number 4, then now the length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter, and the data obtained in represent in the following table. So here you are looking, CF is not given in that is a, so we will CF, sorry, CI, we will find the CI, and then F is given and CF we will be find. So what is the CI? So that 18 to 20, 126, 118 to 126, and then after you are looking that 127 to 135, it's not given in order. So what we will do here, the difference of 126 and 127 is 1, and then when we will divide that 1, that will be 0.5. So we will decrease 117.5. We will decrease from lower limit 0.5 and increase in upper limit 0.5. So that will become our class interval. And then just a minute. Similarly, you will be find 126.5 minus that 135.5, and then CF, F is given here, F is also given 3, 5, 9, and then CF you can be find here like this. After that you will be find the similarly as usual like a question number 1, and question 5, 6, 7 also is given in a order. So you can find this question also in the same of question number 1. Okay.